Next question, question 71. Suckling stimulus by the infant during the nursing maintains lactation by option 1 increase the secretion of oxytocin, option 2 increases the secretion of the prolactin, option 3 increasing the secretion of LH and FSH, option 4 increase the secretion of the oxytocin and the prolactin. Basically the suckling stimulus increase the secretion of both oxytocin and the prolactins. And this next question, question 72. Which of the following is not a heme protein? Option 1 catalase, option 2 cytochrome oxidase, option 3 microsomal P450 drug oxidizing system, option 4 protein kinase C. Basically these all three, the catalases, cytochrome oxidases and the microsomal P450 drug oxidizing systems all include in the heme proteins, and the protein kinase C is not a part of the heme protein. So the correct answer is option 4. Next question, a shift in oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve to the right occurs in hypothermia, carboxyhemoglobin, fetal hemoglobin, or an increase in the 2,3-BPG. The correct answer is the option 4. If there is an increase in the 2,3-BPG level, then there is a shift in the rightward direction. If there is a decrease, then it will shift towards the leftward direction. Next question, question 74. The concentration of agar to obtain semi-solid media is, this is basically 0.5% or less than this is used for getting the semi-solid media, and this semi-solid media is used in the bacteriophage assay. Next question, question 75. Belenomycin is a drug for treatment of, this is a direct question, and this belenomycin is used in the treatment of the cancer. So the correct answer is the option 1, that is cancer. Next question, Ambelica officinalis extract is used widely as an, this Ambelica officinalis is basically the amla or the Indian gooseberries. This amla is very rich in the antioxidant. So the correct answer is the option 2, that is antioxidant. Next question, question 77. The vitamin that contains the cobalt is, the cobalt is present in the vitamin B12. This vitamin B12 is obtained from the animal source. It cannot be obtained from the plant source. So the correct answer is the option 1, that is vitamin B12. Next question, question 78. The first virus shown to cause disease was the, it is the polio virus, hepatitis, or the tobacco mosaic virus. Option 4, the potato blight. Basically the TMV, that is the tobacco mosaic virus, is the first virus which show to cause a disease, and this tobacco mosaic virus is the plant virus. The correct answer is the option 3. Next question, question 79. Which of the following is used for the proper maintenance and preservation of the pure cultures? Option 1, periodic transfer to the fresh media. Option 2, preservation by overlaying cultures with the mineral oil. Option 3, preservation by the lyophilization. Option 4, all of these. The correct answer for this is the option 4, that is all of these. We need to do all the 3 steps to maintain the properly and the preservation of these pure cultures. Next question, question 80. Name of the mosquito responsible for transmitting chikungunya fever is, basically chikungunya fever is transmitted through the Aedes mosquitoes, and malaria is transmitted through the Anopheles mosquito. Question 81. The half-life period of the radioisotopes is 2 hours, and after 6 hours, the fraction of the initial quantity of the isotopes left behind will be 1 by 8. After uh, 6 hours, we get the 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 8. So the correct answer is the 1 by 8. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, question 82. PCl3 reacts with water to yield the S3PO3. This is the chemistry part. So the correct answer is the option 2, S3PO3. Or the next question, question 83. The bond angle 180 degree for the BF3 and the 109.3 degree for the CH4 accounts for the next question. Question 85. Which of the following statement is not true? 1. Pyrrole contains 6 pi electrons. Option 2. Pyrrole is an aromatic molecule. Option 3. Pyrrole is a planar molecule. These are the correct option for this. The pyrrole contains the 6 pi electrons. It is an aromatic molecule and it is a planar molecule. The incorrect option and the right option for this question is the option 4, that is pyrrole contains 6-membered and nitrogen containing heterocyclic ring. This is the correct option. Next question, question 86, that is Fischer-Tropsch process is this Fischer-Tropsch process is a process to obtain the synthetic fuel. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, question 87. Which of the following product is not obtained from the primary amines? 1. Imine. 2. Enamine. 3. Hydrazone. 4. Oxime. The correct answer for this is the option 2. Enamine. That is, enamine is obtained from the secondary amines, whereas all three others are obtained from the primary amines. Next question, which one of the following is the correct statement? Option 1, the electronegative character decreases in the same group moving down the periodic table. Option 2, the basic character decreases moving from left to right in the periodic table. Option Option 3, ionization potential increases moving from left to right in a periodic table. Option 4, all of these. Basically, all the three options are the correct one. So all the statements are correct. Our correct option is the option 4, all of these. Next question, question 89. Which of the following rearrangement involves the conversion of oxime to the amine? This is the name reaction, and the Bachmann reaction is involved in this rearrangement, in which there is a conversion of the oxime to the amine. Next question, question 90. The product of the reaction 1,3-butadiene and the ethylene is, the correct answer for this is the cyclohexene. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next question, lithium aluminium hydride is used for one of the following reaction: 1. Oxidation, 2. Reduction, 3. Condensation, 4. Substitution. This lithium aluminium hydride is used in the reduction reaction. So the correct answer for this is the option 2. Next question, question 92. Which of the following violates the octet rule? PCl3, CBr4, OF2 or AsF5? The correct answer for this is the AsF5, This violates the octet rule. Next question, question 93. In which of the following species does the transition metal ions have the D3 electronic configuration? The correct answer for this is the option 1. Question 94. Hydrolysis of fat would yield 1. Water and alkene, 2. Ethanol and propionic acid, 3. Glycerol and soap, 4. A trimester of the glycerol with the fatty acid. The correct answer for this is glycerol and the soap. Next question, question 95. In the Hofmann preparation of the primary amine, the starting compound is here the starting compound taken is the amide. Question 96. Which of the following is true about the sucrose? It is not a reducing sugar. Yes, it is true for the sucrose. It is not a reducing sugar. So the correct answer is the option 1. Next question. Question 97. The metal present in the Wilkinson's catalysis is platinum, iron, copper or rhodium. The correct answer for this is the option 4, that is rhodium. Next question. Question 98. Complete the following reaction. Here the sodium, there is the hydrogen, and we have to balance the reaction. So for this, we can use this magnesium, that is magnesium 12, that's 11 plus 1, that is 12, and there is the 23 here, and the 23 plus 1 is 24. There is a 23 plus 1 is the 24 here. So the correct answer for this is the magnesium. Next question, question 99. Name the following reaction. This reaction which is shown here is basically the Dackerman condensation reaction. There is the option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following is not an aromatic? Option 1, 2, 3 and 4. For the aromaticity there is a need of the conjugated single double bond, but in the option 3 we can see there is a no single double bond here. This is not fulfilling the aromaticity criteria. So the correct answer for this is the option 3, that is the correct answer. Thank you very much. Please subscribe this channel for the further more videos. Thank you.